This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 1st of February. Wow, how about that? Already got 1 month of the year in the books. We're starting off the month with a very quiet day today. Next chance of rain across the state will likely be on Sunday, maybe beginning late Saturday night after midnight. And next week, looks like maybe some lingering rain on Monday. Let's take a look at all the new data that's in the house this morning. We've got a shortwave ridge building across the deep south and a very dry air mass in place. Got a trough coming into the California coast. And the radar composite across the country. Of course, nothing happening close to us. A lot of rain for California falling early this morning. Many spots are below freezing to start the day. These observations taken a bit before 5 o'clock. Look at Aniana, 24. 26 for Haleyville. 26 for Gadsden. Cullman, 28. Huntsville coming in at 29. Montgomery with a freeze. They've got 32. Readings around 40 for Dothan and Mobile. Here's the watch warning map this morning. A lot of issues in the western states there with mountain snow and rain and wind. Some fog issues up to the north. Here's the severe weather outlook for today. No severe storms expected. Maybe some thunder for California, Arizona, parts of the southwest, also parts of West Texas. Tomorrow, there is a marginal risk of severe storms across a fairly decent part of Texas into West Oklahoma. And on day 3, which is Saturday, we have a marginal risk around Houston and right on the Louisiana coast. And beyond that, no severe storms are forecast formally. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. And for Alabama, the bulk of this will be Sunday and part of the day Monday. Rain amounts for most of the state between 1/2 and 1 inch. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. Got a big ridge pumped up over the high plain states up into Canada. Big trough coming into California. Little shortwave ridge here, so it's going to be a sunny day today with a pretty decent warm-up. Highs in the upper 50s for North Alabama, 60s elsewhere. Lots of sunshine. This is tomorrow, a sunny day. Everybody in the 60s. In fact, we'll see low 70s in South Alabama. So let's discuss the weekend. This is Saturday. Now we're still dry. Rain to the west. Rain falling over much of Louisiana, Arkansas, and points north and west. Pretty good snow coming up for the mountains of Colorado. Denver will likely see snow on Saturday, up into Wyoming and Montana. But again, for Alabama, Saturday should be dry and mild. Highs in the 60s, and again, low 70s likely for South Alabama. Clouds increasing late in the day. And then on Sunday, there's the rain. I got a surface low that's south of Tallahassee, under 1,000 millibars. And going to be a cool rain. There's no surface-based instability here. This is the Cape on Sunday. In fact, some of the latest guidance suggesting North Alabama could stay in the 40s all day with occasional rain. Now, there might be some strong storms over South Florida, south of Interstate 4, but again, here just cool and wet. Monday, maybe some lingering rain. This is Monday afternoon at 4. By afternoon, the better chance of any lingering rain should be across southeast Alabama. Otherwise, Monday, cloudy and cool with highs in the 50s. Tuesday, a brighter day. We start the day in the 30s. Temperatures peak in the 50s. Again, average, what we expect this time of the year. Pretty much the same thing on Wednesday, and this is a week from today, Thursday, the 8th of February. Got a big trough in the west, ridging here, and we are still dry. So again, after the chance of some lingering rain, maybe Monday morning of next week, the rest of the week looks dry and seasonal. Let's keep going. That's what we do. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 10th. I got a trough to the west and a southwest flow aloft. And if this is right, rain would be moving in. So there's evidence we'll have some rain around that weekend of the 10th and 11th. Of course, this is 10 days out. We all know that could change. Look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 15th of the month. Look at temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham. Your number will be different, of course. 59 today, mid-60s tomorrow and Saturday. And then notice on Sunday, we just sit in the 40s all day with rain falling at times. And then next week, temperatures come up with low 60s by the end of the week. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house. This is for the 8th through the 14th of February. If you're looking for Arctic air, you're not going to see it with that look. Cold air in the west, temperatures above average for the eastern two-thirds of the United States, including Alabama. And again, we all know we'll probably have one or two more good shots of cold Arctic air, but it looks like it's going to be the latter half of the month before that happens. So a lot of folks noticed a big smoke plume yesterday in Shelby County, and this was the source of that. It is a prescribed burn at Oak Mountain State Park. Rachel Callahan shot that photograph last night, and that's an important part of forest management, of course, and they do that from time to time. So if you see the smoke rising from Oak Mountain State Park, that is a totally prescribed burn. Ooh, nice sunset last night. Wheeler Lake, Tennessee River. Love those colors. Let's head down south. That was Fort Morgan last night. Had those cirrus clouds on the horizon, giving the sky the nice texture. And Panama City Beach. Big old ball of fire going down over the water. All right, so today headed to Etowah County. We'll see my friends at Ivory Elementary School for a program there. Tomorrow, back to Etowah County, going to Gadsden for St. James Catholic School. And then Saturday, no book signing this Saturday. We're doing a chili cook-off. I'll be judging that with Rick Carley down in Pelham. That'll be a lot of fun. But a week from Saturday, it's the Rocket City Weatherfest in Huntsville. And I'll be speaking. We have a book signing after that. So if you're in Huntsville, come see us. The talk will be kind of dissecting the March 25th, 2021 tornado outbreak in the state. We had multiple long-track tornadoes. We had loss of life. It was a rough day, and we'll look at the setup behind the event itself, aftermath, what went right, what went wrong, the communication of the warnings. So I like to do case studies and tell people what went right, what went wrong, and ways we can be better. And I'll be doing that talk in Nashville, by the way, on the 24th, at Nashville's Severe Weather Day that's sponsored by the National Weather Service in Nashville. That'll be at Trevecca Nazarene University, and we'll put the times once we get closer to these events. And I do know what time I'll be on television this evening. Join us this evening for ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.